Good morning from the lakes. Gutted. Only day I plan to go to Sawmill over there, which is a cafe, farm shop and all the goodies and everything else, is shut. Wow. Morning sheep. Morning little sheepos. So we get chased by the geese. The guard geese. Wait. Oh. What a day. Sometimes you think the easiest bit is going through the what looks like the dry stuff, ends up being the soggy deep mud stuff, and that's where I'm heading, over there, up and over. Always close the gate, as they say, especially with all the sheep and the little lammies. Right, it flattens out for a bit, and then it goes across that ridge. So flat for a little bit, up through the woods, and then along. It's quite steep. Flat piece now for a little bit, and then we go up again through the woods and up. Should be fun. Right, camera is on because I just seen a red squirrel down by that bush tree there, bottom of the tree. That'd be amazing. I haven't seen a red squirrel for, well, I can't remember the last time I was a kid. Where are you? He's up that tree somewhere. Oh, it's a shame. I can't see up. My necks are in, so I can't lift my head too far. Never mind, next time. Ooh, Mudsville. Ooh, 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 ooh. 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 Now you start to see it. I do like, you little bastard. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear. I think it's got on the top of me sock. The joys of hiking in the UK. Bogs. I think I can see it. There it is. Right there. Zigzagging its way up. But what a view, even 3/4 of the way up. Is a brilliant view, as you can probably tell. Jet planes. Oh boy, look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! I wanted to see them yesterday. How cool is that? That is frigging cool. Wow. That is mental. Oh man. That's made my bloody week, that has. Hope they come round again. Still not. We turn left, but it's still going up and up and up and up. Good day of exercise, that's for sure. There she blows. Up there. Yeah, still quite boggy. Getting closer. It's definitely a slog, a very slow slog. Determination is the key. Keep going, keep focused. If you need to stop for a little break, stop. If you don't, then good for you. But do what your body's telling you. Keep it going slowly but surely, and you'll get there, hopefully. First peak, Burton Fell. There we go. Gotcha. Jelly baby time. Whoa. Not far off now. We're doing really good. Elevation's about 1,500 feet. Got about an hour and a half all told, but I'm going to probably come back this way. Reason being, dodgy the other way, so I'm going to do a sensible route, make it back in one piece. Tell you what, that's a struggle this last bit. Whew. Keep going, Yeah. I don't know how you do it. These fell runners are incredible. Unbelievable. Just keep it going to this last bit. Come on. Oh my God. Jesus. Aiming to go down. So according to the map, there's a right hand fork here somewhere. Yeah, I'm presuming it's going to be steep. No rush. Get down safely. Here we go. Here's the fork. Let's do it. Well, we've come from up there down through the path there, and then we just follow the goat track all the way down. It's pretty steep. Just need to focus because it's steep. Probably slippery a little bit with the rocks and the stone. Let's do it. Pretty rough on the way back down. Steep, very steep, stony, rocky, pretty dangerous, I'd say. But just go at your own pace. Stop whenever you need to stop. Just focus on what you're doing. It's steep, I can tell you that. It's a spectacular climb. Tiring, steep coming up, steep going down. There are easier routes down apparently, but you could go further on that way, around Wastwater along the road, or further on that way to such and such forest and come back down through the woods that way. But I'm following the old track down. I'm gonna have a nice pint. I deserve it. I deserve it. So that's the way down. As you see, it's very tricky. And we're down. Wow, that was hard going. Back down to the gate. That was good going, that. Oh, down from there, all the way down, zig. Oh, that's quite scary at parts, to be honest, but we got down. Safe and sound. Let's touch this lovely gate. There you go, gate. Well done. Oh, dear me. And then we got a view like that to come down to. Unbelievable. Oh, look at it. Balls of bloody something cows in here. Deep holes. Jesus, it's hard work today. It was hard work, but well worth it, and they deserve as many beers as humanly possible tonight. 2 possibly. Leave the stench. It stings. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that absolutely pongos. Jesus. We made it down. Oh, I'm absolutely pooped. Right, let's go back. Now that is a big sheep. It's that big, it just lays down and eats. Sod it. It's just lay down and eat. I can't be bothered to stand up. Good place to finish it. What a day. A monster of a hike. Whew. Sit down for 2 minutes. Whoa. It must be, I don't know, 7 or 8 miles easily. Coming down was horrendous. Going up was horrendous, but coming down was horrendous as well. But overall, if you want to take a hike up to Whin Rigg, I'm absolutely pooped. My back's hurting, my shoulder hurting, my knees, my feet, and I just feel knackered. I'm just going to get back, have a shower, and that'll be it. But until the next time, like, subscribe, share and all that sort of stuff. Job done. See you on the next one.